This is a Vine Voice review of the Wayant front and rear windshield wiper blades. These blades are compatible with the Toyota Prius from 2004 through 2009. The vehicle we're demonstrating today will be a 2010 Toyota Prius Gen 3. Included in the packaging is a 26-inch, an 18-inch, and a 16-inch wiper blade with frame. To remove the old wiper blade, rotate the blade to expose the adapter. Press in or out on the clip, then pull down. Here's another view. There's a clip that you can press or pull, and then you can push down to release. The new wiper blade comes with a cover that covers the adapter. Pinch the sides of the adapter cap to release and open it up. Then slide the wiper arm through the cap, adjust the adapter, and push up to slide the arm onto the adapter. Then close the cap. Here's another view. You can see that there are these two textured areas where you would pinch to release the cap. Slide the arm through the cap hole. Adjust the adapter so it can fit snugly into the wiper arm, and then push up. Then you can close the cap to secure the adapter. Now you can put the wiper blades gently down and do the same process on the passenger side wiper. For the rear wiper blade, first you would need to lift the cap at the bottom of the arm. Once you're able to lift the arm, you can then rotate the blade clockwise with enough force to detach it from the arm. Installation will be the reverse of the process. And that's it. Enjoy your new windshield wipers.